Shut up, Siri. What's up, friend? It's me. Today, I wanted to come to you and talk to you guys about how my intermittent fasting process has been going thus far within this past month. I started this journey May 29th or 28th, something like that, this year. And of course, I'm restarting this journey for like the umpteenth time, but I really just wanted to focus in on getting healthy and being a better me after some devastating losses in my life. When I first started intermittent fasting, I thought I was gonna lose my mind because for the simple fact, I didn't know if I could truly do 20 hours of fasting straight and then 4 hours of eating. I thought I was going to just give up and burst and just eat whatever. I was going to binge eat on like massive amounts of stuff. Yep, spray my face. We're going to let that marinate. After having Harmony, I went ahead and decided I was going to do more research up on it than what I had done before, because I wanted to make sure I was well educated, you know what I mean? But I didn't want to start right away because I was like, my heart wasn't in it, you know what I mean? And if I felt like I was just going to do some stuff and then fall off, like I knew it wasn't gonna be right. What I decided to do was to wait until I knew in my heart I was ready. I was just like, you know what? I'm waiting for nothing. Like, I really need to just get up on my stuff and just do this. Life is too short to be sitting around thinking, wondering, you know what I'm saying, waiting. I'm just gonna start. I told myself this year, I'm just gonna start getting out there doing stuff. I'm just gonna do it. We finna go out there, we finna get it. I eat from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. every single day. My kids get up, okay, at like the crack. You feel me? At the crack of dawn. Imagine waking up at 7 o'clock in the morning and not eating until 2 p.m. I just didn't know if that was like feasible for me. But I was just like, you know what? We're going to keep it push it to the limit. Every day, I'm like, I gotta go. I gotta focus. I gotta focus on my goal. I can't stray from my goal. I gotta get it. A plan to fail. Wait a minute, hold fast. A failure to plan is a plan that fails. Does that make sense? Is that right? Leave a comment down below. Let me know if I got it right. You have to basically plan your mission. Like, if you have a mission to lose 100 pounds, then that's what you need to do. You need to be like, okay, I need to lose 100 pounds. That's the goal. Now what do we do to reach this goal? Man, we got to reach A, B, C, D. We got to do 1, 2, 3, 4. We got to do, you know what I'm saying? Like, you got to have a plan. You can't just jump out on the ledge and be like, okay, I'm a fly. You know what I'm saying? Like, how you gonna fly? You got propellers? You got a parachute? I can fly. I can fly. No, it's not gonna work that way. So you have to plan those things out. And as y'all know, I lost, and I'm okay with that. It could be no pounds. How about that? Honey, it's the small things for me. Honey girl, it is not easy. First of all, nothing worth having comes easy. Got that one right. Just a tint. 3-in-1 tinted skin conditioner. And everybody was just like, it gives some really good coverage. Okay. Ew. I like that pigment though. It kind of works. What I usually eat to break my fast is broccoli. I don't know why. I'm just like, really, you could use pretty much anything that's not going to raise your insulin levels, like it's going to spike it all the way to the roof, you know, really fast. You don't want to do that when you're coming out of a long fast like that. You make sure that you start slow and then go up from there. Once I'm done with that, then I go about, you know, eating like a regular meal. Now, let me tell y'all though, When I wake up in the morning, I am starving. And it's probably because I made, because I'm eating carbs or whatever. I don't really know why I'm starving. But I'm liking the fact that my weight loss is slow because I want autophagy to kick in. And that's when the skin, builds up that momentum or whatever it needs to bounce back and not give you that saggy skin look that, everybody has when they lose weight. Y'all watch my other videos. I already know your girl's still addicted to the sweet tea. But I've slowed down and I'm so proud of myself. Yeah, I'm proud of you, girl. Your girl proud. I only had like 1 glass of tea. If we have something out of the ordinary, or, if we have something, some takeout or something, I'm just not gonna beat myself up. I'm just gonna eat it and be happy. Whatever happens after that just happens with my weight loss. See, the key to not beating yourself up about eating badly one day out of a week or whatever is basically jumping back on the bandwagon the very next day or the very next moment. Even sometimes you could just jump back on the bandwagon the next hour and not worry about it. It's not that big of a deal. Again, life is too short to be sitting here scrimmaging, trying to be perfect, or worrying that you're not perfect. Nobody in the world is perfect, so let trying to be perfect go. As my kids would say, being perfect is too normy. So don't be a normie. Did some ombre lip. Y'all like that? Cute. Girl, if you want to know how I did this ombre lip, leave me a comment down below. I will do a snippet. I will do like a YouTube short on this ombre lip because it is too easy, honey. Let's go. I want to see y'all in the comments. Let me know if y'all starting y'all journey this month, if y'all started last month, if y'all started in January. Let me know because we going in. We losing these pounds, sis. We getting snatched for hot girl winter. We getting snatched for hot girl spring. We getting snatched for hot girl fall. We going in. It don't matter. We not getting ready for any particular moment, but for the moment of making sure that we are happy within our own skin and we happy with ourselves. You hear me, sis? Oh, and don't forget, likes and subs are free.